Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have seen that how we can define decimal fractions and how we can write numbers in decimal forms. Now here we are going to take a quick revision. What is meant by decimal fraction? A decimal fraction is a fraction which has denominator as 10, 100, 1000 and multiples of 10. Okay, as a denominator. Now we can write the numbers decimal form by putting the decimal point. Okay, here students, we have also seen that different types of places and their place values also. Now here we will take a quick revision about the places. Here 17.591 is the number, so this one is your decimal point. 7 is present at unit place, 1 is present at 10th place. Then again the place which comes after the decimal point is 10th place. So 5 is present on 10th place, 9 is on 100th place and 1 is on 1000 place. So we have seen all these places in the previous video. Now students, in this video we are going to learn about the addition and the subtraction of decimal numbers or decimal fractions. So let's start. Here students, you can see that this one is your number 25.345 plus 0.61 plus 103.45. So you will have to gather decimal point at one place, okay, and you will have to write first decimal point, then you will have to add. So students, in normal generally we are going to add or we are going to start our addition with the unit place. Okay, so here we will have to add the numbers from, we will have to start to adding the number from the extreme right hand side. Okay, so first of all we will add from extreme right hand side, and then so let's start. So start from extreme right hand side, start from 5. So 5 as it is, then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 4 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay, then again 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 1 as it is. So our answer is 129.405. So students, I hope you will got it. Now the next example, here we can arrange the number first and then we are going to solve it. 39. Okay, then 700 2 zeros, 0.65. So we'll have to consider here 0 because no numbers are given to you, so that's why we will consider that 0. So 0 minus 5, sorry, addition, plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, decimal point as it is, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 and 7 as it is. So our answer is 739.65. So this is our answer. Now the next example, 905.5. Okay, you will have to put decimal point below the decimal point, 27. So like this, point below the point. So 197. Now add 7 as it is, 9 as it is, 5 plus 1 6, decimal point as it is, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, then 9 as it is. So our answer is 932.697. So students, I hope you will understand better. Now the next one. Next one is subtraction. So how we can subtract the numbers, decimal fractions? So first of all, here students, you will have to put the decimal point below the decimal points and arrange the numbers, and always remember that subtract a smaller number from the bigger one. Okay, so we'll have to subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. So let's subtract. So here the first number is 25.83 minus 16.25. So we can't subtract 5 from 3. So we'll borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then decimal point as it is. Then 5 minus 6 means we can't subtract 6 from 5. So we will borrow from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and here 5 becomes 15. Okay? Because 110 is equal to 10 units. Okay? So now subtract 6 from 15 is equal to 9. Then 1 from 1 is equal to 0. So our answer is 9.58. Okay? Now the next example, 12.15 minus 3.90. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. We can't subtract 9 from 1, so we'll borrow from 2. So 1 becomes 11 and 2 becomes 1. Okay, so 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Then again we can't subtract 3 from 1, so we'll borrow from 1. So 1 becomes 11 and this one becomes 0. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8.25. Students, I hope you will understand better. Now the next example. So first of all, arrange the numbers. Here 85.96 minus 2 point. Okay, decimal point below the decimal point. 2.345. So here we considered as 0. So we can't subtract 5 from 0. So we borrow from 6. So 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and here 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Decimal point as it is. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and 8 as it is. So students, I hope you will understand better subtraction also. Now students, time for homework. Note down your homework in your notebook. First question, add. You will have to add the first example and subtract second one. So you will have to subtract the example. These examples, two examples are given to you and you will have to solve all these two examples. So this is all about the today's topic, and inshallah in the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.